Hi guys, we're gonna do the Tumblr accent challenge. First you have to say your Tumblr name, but we have no Tumblr. We have no Tumblr, so yeah, Tumblr.
Tumblr.
That's one of the words. Okay, so we start. Aunt, roof, root, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, we will let it praten. Fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, boat, again, probably, say it loud. Probably. Yeah. Alabama. Lower. Coupon. Mayonnaise. Yeah. Pajamas. Cop. Naturally. Aluminium. GIF.
Wait.
Yeah.
GIF?
GIF. I don't know. Tumblr. Crackjack. Door knop. Envelope. Jeep boy. You just say what I said. Cowboy. Oh my god. Yeah. That were the word. It's amazing. Hi guys. We're gonna do the Tumblr accent challenge thing.
Yes.
And you have to say your Tumblr name, but we both have no Tumblr, so yeah. Do you have a Tumblr?
No.
Okay. So the words are aunt,
Roof.
no, you say
Roof.
roof.
Yeah.
Aunt.